So in this video, I want to do the menu search. So let's add in a search. And we need a text box so that we know what we're searching. Or we can use an input box. How's that? Maybe we use an input box instead. Do search here. Double click on this. Let's go input box. Item search. And we'll grab the item. But because this is a text box, we should validate it. So we need to validate what's coming in here. We need to just make sure that it's not empty. And tell them if don't leave it empty. Then check the data type. Not is numeric, so we don't want it numeric. So make sure that it's not is numeric. If it is, then must be a. We just say search invalid. And finally, we should do a search. We should check if item is item as string item dot length is less than, say, 2. Most of our words, it should be more than 50. Else we can just go put in the wrong place. This else should be for this else. This is end if here. Message else will message out text too long, name too long, item name too long. So we need to put validation in our code, appropriate validation, and if it passes all of these validations, 3 validations, we can then search for the item. So we can do a search on it. For each item, no, we're going to use a for loop. For each menu, we need to check if the item is equal to the menu at that location, at the index location, and we just got to flag dim is false, dim is found equals true or false, and dim location is -1 for now. If we do find it, we'll flag true, and we'll save the index location in index. What's the issue here? List of, dot name. And then we want to highlight the data grid view at the right location. No, we're not actually in data grid. Then we want to take whatever's in the menu. Actually, I don't need to. Yes, I do need to do is found. But I can directly just, when I find it, just directly do what I need to do here. Because if found is false, if is found is false, we just need to give him some feedback. Couldn't find the item. Can't find item. That's good enough. But if we do find it, we want to highlight it and set that as the current item. So we just need to update everything that we've got for that item. But also save it to a current row. Alright. Search, let's search for Naruto. No, we're gonna write it perfectly because this is not a filter. Naruto ramen, okay. Looks like it found it. That's why I did this, because it didn't give us a feedback. But that's not what we want. We should go menu item name, and that's good. Search for Naruto ramen. Okay, cool. Let's search for pork rice. Pork rice, beautiful. Let's add some pork rice. Add to our order. Let's search for chicken, beef rice. And then now let's search for pork rice. See if we get 6.